Hey, ladies and gentlemen, this is your boy Charles Polk. I think you should take a look at this. This is an opportunity for people that don't have no money. In this program here, people can make money for free only if you promote your link and somebody comes in and upgrade to one of the levels. You make $25. Don't care. You make $25. Yeah. That's the only way free members get paid. Free members don't keep no team though. So it's best to come in here and position yourself to a highest level that you can get in. And there's no monthly fees. You know what I mean? This is a business that you can sit back and don't do nothing. You know what I mean? But you might not make no money. But if you promote your rate and get people to see the clientele inside, the clientele and what they have, you can make good money. You can make good money with the site. And the best thing about it, the owner of this company does the selling for you. You hear me? Did you hear what I said? The owner of the company do the selling for you. As me, I'm going to log into my back office if it allows me to get into my back office so I can show you some things that what I mean. You know. Give it a second before they click in. You know, you're going to find too many businesses where you get a free opportunity. It don't cost you no money, but you get a website for free to promote this business, man. And the website does explain and tell you itself. Itself. Does explain and tell you itself. Here we go. You got even in the back. Here's my link right here. This is my link. And as you know, I'm at a low level, but I'm at a level where I can get paid. So if a free member comes in, and a person comes in and get a higher level than me, I still make my $50. You know? I still get mine. And I get 25 if see? Explaining to you, man. This is a good opportunity for people that don't have no money. And Martin does all the selling for you. Martin does all the selling for you. You got testimonies here too. Some like testimony videos. Discover the secrets. These are places where you can buy clicks. Everything's inside his website. Everything's inside his website, man, for free, man. For free. Marketing got it. The owner of this company got this thing set up. And there's the owner right there. He's the owner going to do all the explaining, all the selling for you, for us, for everybody who's site. I'm not going to put this thing live. I'm going to allow you to do it yourself. So the link will be on the bottom of this page. If you're looking for something for free, I'm telling you for free. But it's best to come in and position yourself to a high level. To a high level in here. You see something right here? This is free members. You get 3 people, that's $75. You get 5, that's $125. You get 10, that's $250. You know, made for being a free member by people that's upgrading to the next upgrading to the 50 or the 188 or whatever, or the 288. You know what I'm saying? If you get 10 sales, if a person come here and really promote this business, don't have no money, sure, and then you just upgrade to the next level. Position yourself to a higher level, where you can get paid. You know. On the first level, it's $50. You get $50. On the second level, it's a 188 upgrade. You get $120 sale. One person come in, you make $120. That's $120 a day. You know what I'm saying? And $30 override. Position yourself with overrides. You know what I'm saying? Now with that one, you can build a team. Cause everybody stay with you when you build a team. But 200, they get you $230. See, it's all there. I ain't gotta do no spending. You're $500, you get paid $350 a day. Man, one person come in for $350, that's a whole week. Sometimes it takes 7-day week to get that money. But one person come in and get that level and see the potential. Can you imagine 3 people came in? Look at it. 3 people come in. That's 1,000, 050. You feel me? Man, 5 people. The system is powerful, man. The system is really powerful. It's really powerful. I'm just not gonna make it go live. I'm live. Promoting this. As I speak, this video go viral. And this video go viral, So everything up in here. Everything is here for you, man. Testimonials, presentation, testimony, compensation plan. You hear me? Compensation plan. This video right here explains the compensation plan. The power of the income chart, understanding the overrides. It explains the overrides, everything, how you make money. In that video right there. You know what I'm saying? Martin got this thing set up. This thing is designed for you to make money. Designed for you to make money here. Marketing. You got Craigslist, you got Ad Boost, you got Hercules, Crisscross, you got Guaranteed Silver ads, $20 ads, Cracker ads. You got ads, man. You got everything to promote this. These are opportunities that's inside. Travel, easy one up, lead generation, shop for free at a mall, amazing. You get discounts, design for you to win in here. Presentations, everything, compensation. You know what I'm saying? Everything's here. Profile, the team, email. Well, my team, I ain't got too many people on here, but I can show you that I do got some. You see? In my back office, I got like 1, 2, 3, 4. Cause I ain't really been promoting this thing like I should. But I'm on my way coming back strong. Because I need to, Sometimes we have a setback in our lives. But if you're looking for something, man, that's real, Best Easy Work is where it's at. Best Easy Work / BestEasyWork.com / Cash Wealth. That's my link. That's my link, and my other link is Good Paid Daily Income Method. Maybe you might see the links all over somewhere. Daily Income Method. Towards me right here. Alright, well, I cut this video, and I hope I got somebody's attention, but nevertheless, check it out. Check it out. Man, there's a whole lot of people in here. But this company is making big money. They are making big money. So God bless you. I hope you take a heed of it and see you on the inside. Come work under my team. We work together. Make money. Like I say, free members get paid here. Only when somebody upgrades under your link. God bless you and have a good one. Goodbye now.